This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You spawn and act fast. Join Brookhaven now and pick a quiet server so nothing interrupts purchases. You need currency, so confirm Robux or in-game funds before searching. This prevents failed transactions. Once done, open both the in-game phone/shop and the Roblox catalog to compare item names and thumbnails. This saves time hunting identical mesh files. Make sure your avatar type matches the mesh requirements. Otherwise, the mesh won't equip correctly, and you'll waste currency. You now focus on precision. Use exact keywords or the item ID in the catalog search to locate the mesh quickly. Once results appear, filter by asset type, models, accessories, or clothing, because meshes often sit in different categories. This avoids irrelevant results. Read descriptions to confirm it's a mesh and check creator info to avoid duplicates or scams. When ready, purchase or equip. Keep receipts and screenshots. So if something goes wrong, you can report or request a refund faster. Now equip the mesh using the avatar editor or inventory and immediately test in Brookhaven. Walk, sit, and use emotes to reveal clipping or animation glitches. If the mesh fails to apply, restart the game and re-equip. Many issues clear with a reload. If problems persist, clear your Roblox cache and try again, or contact the creator/support with the item ID and screenshots. This speeds resolution. One tip: incompatible avatar types cause most failures, so verify body compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.